softly moving with the wind. I can leave the world behind me and begin again. Every ripple tells a story, every breeze becomes a song. I will follow where the river carries me along. Along the river, under the open sky, following the silver water, I feel alive. Along the river, everything feels right. I will let the current lead me into the light. Drops of water rise around me, shining softly in the sun. Through the shadow of the bridge I quietly run. Then the sky is wide before me, and the river carries on. All my worries fade behind me with the setting sun. Along the river, under the open sky, following the silver water, I feel alive. Along the river, everything feels right. I will let the current lead me into the light. Under the open sky, following the silver water, I feel alive. Along the river, everything feels right. I will let the current lead me into the light. Along the river, I will take my